Hello, good evening. Welcome to Maths with Ish. Now, today I'll be introducing you to bearing. So, today we have introduction to bearing. Now, without wasting our time, the best way I can explain this to you is by giving you a very simple illustration. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now, let's assume a teacher is here, and then we have two pupils, or probably three pupils standing. Please just permit my diagram. Okay, now this is the teacher, and these are the pupils. Now, the teacher standing here and the pupils standing here. Now we can say that these three pupils are in front of the teacher. Okay, now the teacher is also in front of these three pupils. Now, despite the fact that these three pupils are in front of this teacher, they are actually in different words bearing. Okay, so this student has a different bearing from this particular pupil and from this particular pupil. So what the bearing does is that bearing tells you about the angular relationship that is existing between 2 points. So in this case, the bearing between this pupil 1, let me call this pupil 1, and the teacher, the angle here, which is often measured either clockwise and anti-clockwise if we are dealing with compass bearing. So the angle here between and the angle here for this other student, student 2, and the angle here between this other student, student 3. You can see that they are all in different angles with respect to the position of the teacher. So that's what bearing tries to tell us. It tells us about the relationship that exists between 2 points based on the angle measured from one of the points. Now, it could also go vice versa. We can also measure it based on the bearing from the students. So, the bearing of this student, of the teacher from this student will be this. The bearing of the teacher from this student 2 or pupil 2 will be this. And the bearing of the teacher from this student will be this. So they are all in different bearings. So it's more of the angular positions. Okay, so let's stop here. At least with this diagram we're able to have a kind of picture of what bearing is all about. You see, most students think that bearing is same thing as distance. No, bearing is not the same thing as distance. Distance is just simply the length between 2 points. Okay, that space between this teacher and these pupils, that's the distance. The bearing talks more about the angle from one position to the other. So in our next video, we will talk more about the 2 types of bearing. We have the compass bearing and the 3-figure bearing. I hope this video made sense to you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.